Hello everybody, I am Somakant Giri. Welcome to my channel. Some of you asked me that which is better for your GPAT exam, okay, books or study materials. So in this video, I am going to analysis which is better for your GPAT preparation in depth. Please stay with us till the end of this video and hope it will help you. Let's start. See, I am going to discuss this question which is better, study material or books. I am going to discuss this topic according to depending on 4 parameters. Okay, number one parameter is which is authentic. See, books are always authentic, means the good books. I mean, in case of pharmacology, Goodman Gilman, Rangendale, Lippincott, KD Tripathi, all are authentic books. Okay, all are authentic books, and always you should follow the latest edition books. Okay, so number one. And one more thing is that when NTA will give you the answer key, okay, and you have to challenge against your answer response, okay, so then you have to refer. If you want to challenge the answer key given by NTA, then you have to refer the authentic books, okay. So study materials are not as much as authentic like original authentic books, okay. So this is the first point. Second point is which is better to clear your concept, to make your concept, to build your concept. Which is better, books or study materials? My advice is here, please follow books. Okay, books are always authentic, and there are so many diagrams, there are so many tables, there are so many charts which will help you to build your concept. Okay, see, very specifically I want to say you that if you want to study oral hypoglycemic agent, okay, you should follow Lippincott, because in that book you will find that this chapter is very comprehensively written, okay, and the chapter is very good in Lippincott, okay. So if you want to read oral hypoglycemic agent, or if you want to study diuretics or some other chapters from pharmacology, you can follow Lippincott. Lippincott is very good book. In case of KD Tripathi, if you want to study any one chapter in pharmacology, then you should follow KD Tripathi, because these are very good books, and you have to make concept from these books only. Okay, study materials will not give you this kind of benefit. Number two. Number three is, see, many study materials mean all study materials use information from the books. It is well known. Okay, if you can read any study materials from any coaching institutions. Okay, the informations written there, they are based on books. Okay, no one is there to discover something like that. Okay, so informations must be collected from books. Okay, number four, this is the most important thing. See, if you want to clear GPAT, then concept is necessary, but only concept will not give you the rank. You have to remember some specific informations also. Okay, for this purpose you should have good study materials. Okay, but if you don't have any kind of study material, or you are not able to purchase any one of them, then don't do that. Okay, you can make your own note. Okay, you can make your own notes depending upon different videos available in YouTube, available in my channel. You can use those videos, you can use those informations to make your own notes. Okay, that will help you. If you able to purchase study materials, you can purchase study materials. That's not an issue. Because if you can purchase study materials, then you can read study materials fast. You can read books, then after reading the books you use study materials to see what are the important points they have mentioned. That points you have to remember very precisely or very seriously you have to remember those informations, because if you see the study materials and the books, then you will see that huge difference means informations are there in very much in case of books. Okay, books have lots of information, but in case of study materials have written very precisely and very limited informations are there. If you want to know a subject, then go for books. If you want to just see what are the important things may come in your exam, then you can refer your study materials. But my advice is first read books, build your concept, after that you can read study materials. Okay, hope this video will help you. Please like the video, share and subscribe us. Thank you.